The Roborock Q7 L5 robot vacuum and mop combo is designed to elevate your cleaning experience, offering a perfect blend of vacuuming and mopping in one seamless package. With its ultra-powerful 8,000 pH suction, it effortlessly tackles everything from fine dust to stubborn dirt embedded deep in carpets, ensuring spotless floors across a variety of surfaces. Whether you're cleaning hardwood, tiles, or thick carpets, this robot vacuum promises to lift dirt and debris out of hard-to-reach places, leaving your home impeccably clean with minimal effort on your part. One of the standout features of the Q7 L5 is its dual anti-tangle brushes. These specially designed brushes, main and side, work together to prevent hair from wrapping around them, which is a common issue with many robotic vacuums. If you've ever struggled with tangled hair in your vacuum's brush, you'll appreciate how this design reduces maintenance and ensures smooth cleaning. No more interruptions during cleaning, just consistent, reliable suction that grabs debris from every corner. Navigating your home is where the Roborock Q7 L5 truly shines. With precision LiDAR navigation, it maps out your home in real time, scanning 360 degrees to create the most efficient cleaning routes. Not only does it provide thorough coverage, but it also saves multiple floor maps, making it perfect for multi-level homes. Whether you're on a single floor or multiple, the robot effortlessly adapts to your home's layout. It moves around obstacles, identifies areas where it could get stuck, and even suggests no-go zones, all while learning your space for future cleanse. The vacuum's integrated mop function sets it apart from other robot vacuums. The 270mm water tank allows the Q7 L5 to vacuum and mop simultaneously, tackling messes in one go. It offers 3 adjustable water levels, making it effective for everything from fine dust to stubborn, dried stains. The removable mop pad is easy to clean, and the integration of the mop and dustbin as a single unit simplifies maintenance. You won't have to worry about carrying multiple devices around or dealing with the hassle of separate containers for dust and water. While the suction power and mop feature are highly effective, there are some practical considerations. The Q7 L5 works best on homes with a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. So if your router primarily uses 5 GHz, you'll need to switch to dual band mode or adjust your settings for optimal performance. It's a small detail, but important for ensuring the best possible cleaning experience. Additionally, its weight and maneuverability are on par with other robots in this class, making it suitable for homes of various sizes and layouts. The robot's design allows it to fit under most furniture, though it may struggle in areas with very low clearance. In real-world testing, the Q7 L5 excels in lifting pet hair and dirt, even from carpets where debris can get embedded. Its anti-tangle brushes really shine here, preventing hair from clogging the brush roll. On hard floors, it moves with ease, navigating between rooms and under furniture without much trouble. The mop function does a solid job of removing light stains and spills, though for heavily soiled floors, you might still need to do a quick manual mop afterward. That said, its simultaneous vacuum and mop feature definitely reduces the overall cleaning time for routine maintenance. When it comes to the pros, the Q7 L5's suction power is its biggest win, especially for those with pets or carpets. The dual anti-tangle brushes also make it a standout in terms of low-maintenance operation, which is a huge plus for users who want a robot vacuum that keeps on going without constant upkeep. The combination of vacuuming and mopping in one go makes it perfect for those who want a versatile cleaner that tackles all types of messes in one pass. Its ability to map your home and avoid obstacles also adds a level of sophistication that you don't always get at this price point. On the downside, the vacuum's water tank is a bit small compared to some models, meaning it may require more frequent refills if you're cleaning larger areas. Additionally, the fact that it supports only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi could be a drawback for those with homes relying on 5 GHz networks, though this is an easy fix with some adjustments. It also doesn't have the same deep stain removal power as a dedicated mop, so for homes with heavy messes, you may still need to do a bit of manual work afterward. In terms of value for money, the Roborock Q7 L5 offers a great balance of performance, features, and affordability. When compared to other robotic vacuums with similar price points, it stands out in terms of its suction power and versatility, thanks to the integrated mop function. For those who want a robot vacuum that can handle both pet hair and everyday messes, it's an excellent choice. While some competitors may offer slightly more advanced features, such as a larger water tank or a more refined mapping system, the Q7L5 hits the sweet spot for homes that need an efficient, low-maintenance cleaning solution. Looking at alternatives in the same category, the Roborock Q7L5 competes well with other robot vacuums like the Roborock S7 or the iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus. While these models also offer similar features such as smart mapping and multi-surface cleaning, the Q7L5's anti-tangle technology and simultaneous mopping set it apart, especially for users with pets or a mix of hard floors and carpets. It does, however, lag behind slightly in terms of advanced features like more precise mapping or larger water tanks, so it's worth considering how much those extras matter for your cleaning needs. In terms of build quality, the Q7L5 feels robust and well-designed. The materials used are solid, and the vacuum feels durable even with regular use. The dustbin and mop tank combination are easy to remove and clean, which simplifies maintenance significantly. As for longevity, Roborock has built a reputation for reliable products, and there's every reason to believe this model will perform well over time, though. Like any vacuum, it's important to follow maintenance recommendations to keep it in peak condition. Customer support, if needed, is fairly responsive based on the brand's reputation, though no direct issues were encountered during testing. Roborock's customer service typically offers helpful guidance, and the product includes a solid warranty for peace of mind. In conclusion, the Roborock Q7L5 robot vacuum and mop combo offers a solid performance for those looking for a versatile, user-friendly robot vacuum that combines powerful suction with the added benefit of mopping. It's an excellent choice for homes with pets, multiple floor types, or those who want a low-maintenance cleaner that covers all the basics and more. If you're after a high-performing robot vacuum with excellent features for a fair price, the Q7L5 is certainly worth considering. Thanks for watching, and if you're ready to bring this robot home, you'll find the link in the comments. Feel free to drop any questions you might have or share your own experiences with robotic vacuums. Until next time, happy cleaning!